In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID name. That is, how to change the name on your Apple ID account. To change the name on your Apple ID account, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings. So once you go to settings, I want you to go to your Apple ID account. You can do this by clicking on your name at the top. So just click on your name. It will take you to your Apple ID account. So this is the Apple ID account. What you want to do from here, you want to tap on personal information at the top. So once you tap on personal information, it will load up this page for you. As you can see, my name is currently showing. So just tap on your name to change it. Once you tap on your name, it will load up for you. So guys, to change your name, you just want to tap on the name, edit it, put any name you want, and tap on done. Once you tap on done, your name will be changed for your Apple ID. So guys, this is how you can actually change your Apple ID name. Thanks for watching.